Doug Thompson here, and we're here in the shop, and I wanted to do a little video on my small table. I built it, but initially, so that I would have a comfortable height when I was TIG welding something, when I had to do stand-up TIG welding. So there's really no magic to this distance. I have built it in such a way, the top of this surface is about 42 inches off the floor, so that when I'm TIG welding something, I'm in a really comfortable position. Obviously, if you've got a shorter table and you're a taller guy, you'll have to modify it. But this is a very comfortable height for me. It has a square on it, which is really important for building any type of project. This small table can very easily be used to make a much larger object. It also has a bunch of holes, and one of the things that I oftentimes have to do is to make my own bolt. So I'll take some all thread on a nut, and then drop it into one of the appropriate holes. I've got 1/4 and 3/8 and 1/2 inch. And then I can come over and then I can quickly TIG weld the nut to the all thread, grind it off, and then I've got a bolt of a very specific length. The underside is just 1.5 inch square tubing. I didn't put a whole lot of weld on it because I just want to tack it. I didn't want to deform this top plate because I kind of move it around. You could make this out of 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch, but I move it around a lot for what I do. The 1/8 inch flat material is fine. I just put little tacks on it. And then I've also got a piece of angle iron here, so that if I turn it over and I'm doing some grinding on the little table itself, and I don't want the table to move, then I can clamp it down and I've got a very secure surface. So this is just a super handy little table that I use all the time.